All right, so I got have a flu. Got it Saturday, so basically couldn't record Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I'm still going through with it, and decided to do an update regardless. So for S&P 500 futures, um, basically what I was expecting is if we break this level, we gonna go up, or if we go below this level, we would go down. We technically, so this one is a weird one. I'll explain why. Because we didn't really break it and then go here, so I can't claim a win on this one. We basically just opened here and then we went down. So it's a 50-50, if I could say. Technically, yeah. If I said if we lose this, then you should be shorting, which you should have. Obviously, it happened so fast on Sunday that I couldn't. I wasn't there with the video to tell you when to close, so I'm gonna let one. I'm gonna let this one go. I'm not gonna claim it. Um, but yeah, you can see once we got back into here, it did give you an opportunity to go long here, to basically go from one edge to the other. You could have longed here, because we did reclaim the zone, this zone that we were chopping in. Usually, what happens is off topic. Once you lose the zone where you've been consolidating for a long time, but then you go in, there is a good chance that you will go at least to the other side. If not break out to the upside, you will at least go up to the other side. So you would have waited. If you weren't long here, then you would have waited for it to go here, and you would have entered here for a long and go up. So so yeah, basically what happened is we got accepted back into this consolidation zone, traveled through. And the other part of what I said on Friday for Monday action is I said if we're breaking up from here, from this part, is what I'm gonna expect is we're gonna go up somewhere to roughly to here. Again, this was very rough. This is not precise or exact, so but it's it more or less aligns with what we got. So we traveled to here, pretty good. So you could have just longed the breakout. Otherwise, it gave you a chance to long here at this level, coming all the way from January 16th. So yeah, ultimately we got both. First the red one, then the green one. All right, let's get rid of this, guys. And now what I think is gonna happen for Tuesday, January the 27th. Today is January 26th still, Pacific, still January 26th, although almost January 27th. I think here is a very it's actually a tough spot because we're almost at all-time highs. I guess you could say that we could maybe come back here, then go up, or we could maybe go up here and then come back here, do something weird like that, like this. And I'm gonna make that one, actually I'm gonna make this one green, and I'm gonna keep the second scenario red. So out of these, the highest probability would be I'm not sure, actually 50-50 on this one. Usually I would say one is more probable than the other, but in this case, I don't know, 50-50. kind of tough spot. Yeah, I'm assuming something similar on S&P. Yeah, so we didn't get Sunday action, so this didn't happen, right? Because on S&P 500 this was just the weekend, which we don't get on S&P 500 ETF. So the second scenario didn't happen. The first scenario did happen though. As soon as we closed above this level right here, just as I drew right here, we basically broke out. I was expecting for it to come back all the way to the blue level here and then shoot up. It didn't really go there. It stopped a little bit earlier than that. So either we, let me get rid of this at this point. So either we actually do finish and then go up, right? Or we just continue going up and go like this. That's what I have for this one, guys. All right, and then here on Bitcoin on Saturday, I did say if we lose this, whichever one we would close, we have a daily close first, or in this case just hourly, just would break the level from here, right, from this point on, would be the direction we would get. So if we break it to the upside, we would get upside. If we break it to the downside, we would get downside, and we pretty much got closed here, broke down all the way to this level I have from God knows when, probably a long time ago. Let's see. Yeah, very much. No, that's too far away. Forget it. Yeah, what happened? We came to this level, then we tested this level, the one that we lost, chopped around it, chopped again, consolidated, tried to break it, and we're right now trying to break it. So just based on this, we probably gonna chop around here for Tuesday. Something we're gonna be in this zone basically. So we're gonna be between 88 360 and 89 685, I think. And let me get rid of the previous drawings. That's what I expect for BTC. So I'm gonna do a shorter video today because I'm kind of feeling a little bit, I'm kind of a little bit under the weather. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you, and I'll try to do a proper video tomorrow, Tuesday.